Hey, I am ESTiEL, a video editor and a motion designer. It's been almost 5 years. Yep, 5 years that I've been in the editing field, and I'm here to put this experience at your service for your vision. During these 5 years, I've worked on many projects such as documentaries, travel, promotional, animated video, and many others. And as a creative, my sole mission is always be to provide you the best possible quality to contribute to the successful development of your brand. I won't rest till the work you entrust me is done well and on time. And do you know why? Because I'm someone disconnected from everything else to focus at 100% on the task at hand. You can even ask my girlfriend, it's really an horror. Sorry babe, but working creativity will always come first. And if you want to feel safe and learn more about the person you'll be entrusting your project to, you can always take a look at my LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and last but not least, my website, where you can learn more about the creative will give the help for your project. In summary, the two things I can guarantee you are working day and night to provide you with the best possible quality, helping to grow your brand, whether it's you or your product. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, hoping it convinces you to give me the opportunity to prove myself to you. You can contact me via email, my social media, or my website, and we can start discussing the project you want to realize. Let's get in touch and begin turning your idea into reality.